Hey guys, it's Sean here, and I got home and waiting for me was this surprise package from the good people at Foot Locker Canada. So I'm not exactly sure what's inside, so let's unbox this together and let's take a closer look. So I got my trusty knife right here. Let's open this up right now. And inside we got... So this is different. So this is a Foot Locker box. It says here, Foot Locker, unbox it, hashtag Becausesneakers. So if any of you guys want to guess what shoes are inside, pause the video right now and leave a comment down below. Okay, so we are back, and so there's a label on this. This is like a custom Foot Locker label. It says Foot Locker, unbox it. It's kind of like generic codes. And then if you see here, it actually has the airport codes for major Canadian cities. So we got YYZ, which is Toronto, and then I assume the other ones are like Montreal, Vancouver, Calgary. I actually don't even know what they are, but it's pretty dope. Foot Locker Canada, love this package. So let's take a look inside. And whoa. So these guys right here, if any of you guys don't know what this is the LeBron 16 in the SuperBron colorway. These, I believe, are dropping on December 26th. So for those of you in Canada, or I believe Australia, that is Boxing Day. And these guys right here, the colorway is inspired by the classic LeBron 3 that released back, I believe, in 2005 or 6. And there was a player edition version of the shoe that was inspired by Superman. So for those of you guys who are planning on copping these once again drop December 26th. Check out your local Foot Locker Canada store. I believe online there's going to be a launch locator that will tell you which stores are going to be getting these shoes. And also stay plugged into Foot Locker Canada's social media, so their Twitter, their Instagram, all that good stuff, because there's going to be a ton of hot releases during the Boxing Week. So I'm going to jump straight into the on-feet look, and then when I come back, I'm going to give you guys a detailed breakdown and review of these shoes. Alright guys, so I'm back. I've had a chance to try these on, wear them around for a bit, so now I can properly give you my thoughts. The official colorway for this shoe is white, varsity red, and varsity royal, and though there's no set retail price on these yet, the normal LeBron 16s retail for $185 US or 245 Canadian dollars, so I expect these to be somewhere around that range, maybe a little bit more because these are a limited edition colorway. So jumping straight into the shoe, the base layer of the shoe is still constructed in this white colored battle knit. It still retains that same property of being very flexible and breathable, and that's going to be only a good thing. Running across the sides of the shoe, you'll see there's these perforations running throughout, and these act as secondary lace loops for the laces. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box, we have this varsity royal colored patent leather, and then going across the base of the tongue, we have this hit of yellow that has the LeBron 23 logo right in the center. On the medial side of the toe box, we have the letters LRJ written in cursive letters, and this of course stands for LeBron's full name, LeBron Raymond James. This patent leather runs across the length of the shoe on either side, and then if you take a look at the lateral side near the back heel, we have this red colored leather swoosh that's outlined in yellow. Flipping these over to the other side, once again we have the LeBron 23 logo, and if you couldn't tell by now, the way this logo is done is inspired by the Superman logo. So this patent leather wraps around the back heel as well, and it extends all the way near the top. At the very top of the left foot, we have the number 3 in Roman numerals. Of course, this represents that the original Superman colorway was done on the LeBron 3 model. And then on the right foot, we have the number 16 in Roman numerals, signifying this being the 16th edition of LeBron James shoes. In terms of the tongue, so this is a white colored synthetic leather tongue. We have this horizontal ribbing pattern running from bottom to top. And then at the very top, we have this patch of patent leather once again with an image of a lion done in yellow and red. Similar to all the other LeBron 16s, the tongue is collapsible and it's connected to the body of the shoe. So this allows more easy access into the sneaker as opposed to something like the LeBron 15, for example, that was a one-piece sock-like fit, which gave some people a little bit of trouble getting their foot inside. Overlaid on top of the tongue are just your standard flat white laces. So the inner liner of these shoes is done in this synthetic blue fabric, and then taking a look at the insole, so these are a blue colored insole, once again with that LeBron Superman inspired logo stitched on in the heel. So the upper of these LeBron 16s sits atop this full length foam midsole. The midsole is painted in blue on the top and white on the bottom. And then we have this short plastic heel counter that wraps around the back heel. This is done in yellow, and we have this small Nike swoosh found on the medial side. Underneath this, we have the articulated Max Zoom Air. So these are these red colored airbags that are found underneath the forefoot, in the midfoot, and on the back heel. Essentially what this is it's a combination of Nike Zoom Air and Nike Air Max. So it gives you the best of both worlds with impact protection while maintaining that responsiveness and court feel. Flipping these over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole. This is done in a combination of blue, red, and yellow colored rubber. We have this thick herringbone traction pattern running throughout with the Dunkman logo at the bottom in blue, and it's finished off with the LeBron crown at the top in yellow. From a sizing standpoint, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and Foot Locker Canada sent me these in a size 10. To me, these fit the same to me as my other LeBron 16s, so I'd recommend sticking true to size. However, if you guys didn't go true to size for your other LeBron 16s, whatever size you got in those colorways, I'd stick with the same size for these ones. Comfort wise, so again, I did not wear these for fall, I literally just walked around in them. So with that said, I definitely need to wear these in a bit more to give you guys some honest and true feedback, but straight out of the box, they feel quite comfortable. The Max Zoom feels very springy and responsive, and this upper was surprisingly flexible, even with this patent leather wrapping around the sides. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these LeBron 16s in the SuperBron colorway. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Once again, a huge thank you goes out to Foot Locker Canada for sending me over this pair. If you guys are interested in these do drop Boxing Day, December 26th. And stay tuned once again to Foot Locker Canada's socials for all the good stuff that they're releasing this week. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.